You've been hearing of affiliate marketing 1,001 times and how it has been helping people make thousands from it. But what exactly is affiliate marketing and how can you start and leverage it? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can leverage affiliate marketing through Clickbank and start making online income. I will be breaking down everything that you need to know from the sign-up process to how to choose a product and how to promote a product. So if you're watching me right now and you are an absolute beginner starting affiliate marketing or wanting to start Clickbank affiliate marketing, then this video is for you. Now, affiliate marketing is simply a business model where you promote a product, and whenever someone buys that product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Now, there are several affiliate marketing platforms out there that allows for you to promote numerous products, and one of them is Clickbank, which we are going to be diving in this video. So what you want to do first of all is you want to head over to clickbank.com. This is Clickbank, and you can see over here it is an affiliate marketing platform that hosts a ton of product that you can pick and begin promoting to start earning. The first thing you want to do obviously is you want to sign up. You can simply click the login. Once you do that, you will be brought to this place here. By the way, sign up is absolutely free. You want to fill in your details, your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, email address, as well as password. Now, you may want to check the countries to be sure that Clickbank is actually available and working in your country. And if it is, then you want to sign up and go ahead into the next step. Now, once you get into the next step, you want to go ahead and fill in your details. You want to go ahead, go through all of the steps that are pending your action and fill it up. And one important thing is creating your account nickname. Now, creating your account nickname, you want to simply select your account type. In this case, that's affiliate product, and you want to choose a nickname as you prefer. Now, a nickname is simply the ID for your account, which allows you to track all of the transactions relating to your account. So it's more like your account ID, that's your Clickbank ID, and it will be used in all of your referral links. After which, you want to go ahead and head over to Affiliate Marketplace. The Affiliate Marketplace is where you can find products which you can see and promote. In the Affiliate Marketplace, you would see all categories where you can select by the category that you want. You can also filter by the top offers, and this will show you the top offers that are currently doing well in the affiliate marketplace, and you also show you new offers, as offers that were just newly added to the marketplace, as well as your saved offers, which is offers that you probably save because you have some interest in it. And you can as well also filter by health and fitness, e-business and marketing, spirituality, and all of the likes, depending on whatever that you want to go for. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, one of the key things that you should be focusing on are things that people actually buy. Remember, you're not selling your product, you are selling someone else's product. You want to go for a niche that people have a larger tendency of buying under. Some best niches are under health, wealth, as well as relationships, because people are always looking for products under these niches, and you can actually leverage on it and make some good income from it. So if you're picking a particular niche, for example, you are picking the health niche, the next thing is you can simply just click on health and fitness. Under health and fitness, you're going to see all of the products available here. You can see the categories. Now, under the health and fitness, there are actually subcategories to help you narrow down your niche. So there's that of addiction, there's that of beauty, there's dental health, dietary supplements, and all of that. You also have affiliate resources, which can help you also do your filtering. There's the affiliate tools page. That's the ones with affiliate tools page, the ones with direct link tracking, and the ones with multiple landing pages. You can also filter by language. So you are just focusing on English, you may want to, of course, click that. You can also filter by all of this here. You can see the billing types here. You can see the commission type, CPA, which is cost per action, the ones where the seller actually pays you per a certain action. So you can filter by that. You can filter by either physical products or upsells. You can also filter by mobile friendly and the one that requires approval. You can also filter by that depending on whichever you prefer. You can see the average conversion, meaning that the average of which has been converted in terms of affiliate sales. So you can include that just to know the one that is selling. You can also see the initial conversion, right? So you can see future or rebuild, meaning products that have recurring payments for a product, more like maybe a subscription or a membership component sort of. You can also see earning per click and the conversion rate. Now that we've picked the health and fitness niche, remember you can actually pick any niche that you want, but I will actually advise that you pick within the niche that has higher rates. As well, what you can also do is to check the top offers. Under the top offers, you will see all of the offers that are doing well, irrespective of the niche. Then you can then select any product based on the niche that you have chosen. And if you look at it, most of the top offers are actually in the health niche. So we're actually choosing a very good niche. And one important thing is you want to filter by the gravity, high to low. Now, this is actually like a Clickbank-ish kind of term. So with Clickbank, what gravity means is the frequency of affiliate sales that's based on affiliate products that are actually doing well. It's like calculated over some number of weeks period. So the higher the gravity means that the higher that product is doing well in terms of affiliate sale. And when the gravity is lower, that means the products are actually not really doing well when it comes to affiliate sales in Clickbank. So you can see that this Mytolene is the one with the highest gravity under the health and fitness, with a gravity of 657. If we should look under, you can see 217 and all of that. If we look below, you can see 206. So now another thing you also want to consider when picking the product, the first thing is the niche. The second thing is the gravity, that's in terms of how well that product is actually doing. And another thing is you want to look out for things like the revenue share or the cost per action, because you are an affiliate marketer and you want to make as much commission as possible or as much income as possible on every product that you promote. So you can see here, this is like $200 cost per action or an 85% revenue share, and which is actually good. So if we should look at all of these stats here, I'm going to explain what they mean. Now, the average dollar per conversion is simply the average amount of net commission that are earned per conversion over the last 90 days. And the initial is the initial commission or the revenue share that you eventually get in totality when you promote a product. So this is the amount as well. Now, the conversion rate is also something to look at because it is the average rate by which clicks from an affiliate links results in sale over the last 30 days. So based on wherever you drop your link, what is the rate by which people click on it and eventually buy? So 0.14% is less than 1%, meaning out of 100 clicks, you have just less than 1% that actually clicks on it and makes a purchase, right? Then also the EPC is the average amount of net commission earned per click over the last 30 days. Then the gravity is the score, of course, based on the number of affiliate generating sales. And this is ranking number 1. You also want to scroll down and see other ones. For example, this may be number 1 in gravity, but you also want to look at the conversion rate. Meaning if it's having a low conversion rate, that means it is not really resonating to a very wide variety of people. You want something that when you post it in the places where you have your target audience, then you are sure that the conversion rate is much more higher. And you can see Prudentin, you can see the conversion rate is 0.65%, which is higher than the previous one. We can also scroll down and look for other ones that have, more conversion rates. You can see this has a conversion rate higher, however, still less than 1%. This has a conversion rate of 1.2%, which is better than all that we've seen so far. So these are a few things that you want to consider when you are choosing your product. So we're going to be going with this hepatobond. And another thing that you should consider when you are trying to promote product is the sales page, because you want to look at how the sales page is structured. If it is something that you are comfortable promoting and something that you think has a very good probability of making sales. And we can always go click here and head over to the sales page. So this is the sales page and you want to just scroll through it, have a deep look, see what it's about and see if it's worth promoting. For example, this product is hepatobond for liver purification and liver fat burning. So if it's something that you feel, okay, it's something that you want to promote, you can go ahead, go back, click here and get your affiliate link. Another thing is you also want to go check the affiliate page. You want to really ensure that you go to the affiliate page to check, because you want to be sure that you are promoting the product rightly as stated by the product company, and you are aware of the ideal customer. So you can see here, this is where you get your hop link. That's your affiliate link. You can also get it from here directly as well. So these are video ad creative materials. So you can access that, which is good. You also want to read the terms of service. This is super important, because if you violate any of their terms of service, you risk your account being actually reported and may result in banning your Clickbank affiliate account. Sincerely, I have actually gone through a few of the products, and a chunk of them have this really bulky terms of service for the most of the products that actually have good gravity score and well as good conversion rate. So it's something that you just have to really deal with, and you want to really go through it, be sure that you are promoting it rightly. Now, the next thing is in terms of the promotion, where exactly can you promote it? Now, when it comes to promoting the products, one way I really suggest as an absolute beginner is to go to places that people are actually asking questions with regards to this, because it's easier to sell to people that you are certain already have the problem. For example, you want to head over to Quora and you can simply search liver fat. Now, once you search liver fat, you want to filter by the time. You can say in the past year, and you can see all of these people searching for it. And what you want to do is you don't just want to go ahead and impute your affiliate name. You want to give value first. For example, you can see this here. You can open it and you want to give some value. You can actually ask ChatGPT to help you with that. And after giving some value, you can then offer a recommendation in the form of the product you are trying to promote. And you can do this for multiple questions that are being asked. So another good way to promote your affiliate product is by going to Reddit. Reddit is also a place where people are often searching for answers to questions. So one way to leverage on it is by joining communities. You can join communities on health. You can see also liver and other communities that are in line with the kind of products you are promoting. And then what you want to do is you want to be creating value posts. You don't want to just create a post and add your affiliate link immediately, because it could be seen as spam. So instead, you want to start promoting value posts, and ChatGPT can help you do that. Then when you start getting some response and people start commenting under your post, you can then make that referral to them. Other places that you can also leverage on are Facebook. You can join Facebook groups that are in relation to the kind of products that you are promoting. And again, you want to give value first. You don't just go and blast your affiliate link there. You can also use other social media platforms as well. However, I would suggest that you focus on just one platform and give value as well as recommend, because that way you are able to hone in on that platform and build some level of trust faster and easier. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. Again, like I said, Clickbank is just one affiliate marketing platform. Another unique one is Digistore Affiliate Marketing, which you can also leverage the Digistore 24 affiliate marketplace, which has new opportunities in terms of the products and more varieties. And I have done a video detailing step by step on how to start, how to sign up, how to promote products and leverage it. So if you are interested in that kind of video, you want to click the video you see on your screen right now and go check that out. Ciao.